mommy.
Easy Beats, please, I need to ask you something.
Okay.
What do you notice about that video?
I noticed a lot of mommy in food video.
What again? No, all right. Katin, what do you notice about that video again?
I noticed the color combination. They are showing where they saw for that, you know.
Now, I noticed that no young guy shaking bam bam. Yeah, carrying red cup. Check it. Check it. Go, check it. Go. No, it's not there.
Wait till they do that. Go in the shake it.
Ask me now. I be flavor. I be flavors.
And then I noticed something else. Say there's no yellow girl inside there.
No yellow girl. Even the girl who sit down for chair, now black girl.
Now black and white. Black, I don't.
So
beautiful.
So flavor now done. You know, say flavor two in baby mama. Two of them then yellow.
Maybe not the enter.
So if you be suddenly they enter black now.
I know.
So for example now, if we talk, before we talk to our guests, say flavor now, say you get one more person to give Belle.
Who is for me?
I bet una where their house.
Yes.
Our actresses, musicians, actresses within Nigeria.
Yes.
Say for example now, not be say
ego happen.
We say for example now, Flavor get one Belle to dash somebody.
Yes.
Now who you think say Flavor go give that Belle? Now in the
who make Flavor dash the Belle?
Who make Flavor dash Belle? Now in the end, I been a Genevieve Unaji. I been a Chidimano go fake the Belle, she too small. The Belle go weigh her down. It will weigh her career down.
Okay, the Belle will carry her.
She's below 18 years.
Okay,
the lawyer.
Oh!
Lawyer, she's below 18 years.
Caution yourself.
Mona Lisa Chidna don't marry.
Mona Lisa don't marry.
Chairman, Mercy Johnson, no. Mercy Johnson said, I'm not going to let me.
What's with that girl?
Ketensia. Koso Jacko go use if Koso Jacko born the pikin for night, she go use her bobby kid the pikin.
It go suffocate the
pikin. It go suffocate the pikin, it not go good. It not go good.
No.
Yeah, then who again? But the belly go fit you.
No.
She said no.
Cynthia Morgan go spoil everything.
No, Lucy.
Who be Lucy?
Lucy Root Girl.
Lucy Root Girl! No, her body too lean. Belly go break her. But you know, I noticed something that day when she comes show. She know we are. Hey. Anyway, we got two guests on top of the show today. Join us as we welcome our. Meanwhile, make una send us who Flavor go give Belle for Twister.
Yes, a W night show. The more the merrier, because Abante from here on, our brain Abante enter a semi-permeable membrane. So you know, something not used to. Yes, things not used to permeate now. So we want to hear from you. Maybe we should ask our guest.
Heaven
and hell.
And hell. Well, which one will be heaven?
What is heaven and hell?
Which one will be heaven? Now you be heaven.
Black heaven.
Heaven,
no,
wait.
You not be like heaven.
Wait, my brother, you not be heaven. No. But you be like hell. Yeah, I'm quite a lot more.
Heaven, okay. So what's our easy bit go be now?
So if you be heaven, easy bit go be waiting one. Wait. What is your name? Heaven, Gene.
Heaven, Kelechi Kalu.
Heaven, Kelechi Kalu. Wait, ma, ask you something now. So, your mama papa give you heaven.
God go bless you.
Exactly.
Then look you finish like this, give you heaven.
I don't believe in heaven, no.
My brother.
Your birth certificate.
What birth certificate today?
You know, say they write surname, first name, others. Other name.
Which one be first name?
Thank you.
First name, Kelechi.
So, which one be others? Heaven. I tell you, we know these things. Oh, God. So, now, you what be your name?
Hell. I don't know that. If heaven can sit down.
Ikenna. This one, my brother, you person is be Ikenna. Yeah, Ikenna, but they allow us. Anyone, welcome on the night show.
Your heaven is here.
Heaven is here. Oh, beg, if you want to make heaven, he is here. He is here. But you go shock if you go hell for it. Now, what thing you go be? Where you go rich? You go rich. On the last day, angel go say, what is your name? Heaven. No, I mean, what is your name? I don't mean here. I mean your name. Say heaven. So, no, I mean your name. I forget.
So charge up for impersonation.
It was say, hey, where you angel? Carry this guy is impersonating. You think because you are here, you want to answer heaven. Anyone, welcome on top of the night show.
Thank you, sir.
What on they do? We don't understand. You first, where you come from?
They be group.
Group. Ah,
but
peace
they for
for
sweet for song. For you to say they be artists. What do you mean? Their name for be heaven and hell.
No.
No, you go
No,
look.
sell, no.
Heaven and hell.
No, na think am. You go sell though.
Heaven and hell.
No, na
Then they go
bracket.
pose like
No,
this.
na bracket yori. Because this one go bleach.
Yes. It go be yes. It go be vast.
It go be fast. Yes. Then this one now go be smashed.
Yes.
His head don't be already.
You should say I know they sing at all.
Una dey sing.
I know.
No, maybe no. Don't say so. You are heaven after all.
I know. Sabi
My
sing.
brother, you are heaven. No, you say
Heaven. Heaven. No, that's nice. They worry me. It cannot look like heaven.
I don't talk about outside. If you talk this thing outside,
Not that
they
reason
know.
outside though. Anybody ask you, say my name is Kelechi.
For bros.
You know this one. If you go to someone outside, say hi. What's up? I'm heaven. The girl say, me say I'm hell.
Idiot. They hear you.
Okay. My name now Heaven, and
If you talk this heaven again. But continue.
I'll be screenwriter
Screenwriter.
and a cook.
Created by heaven.
Screenwriter and a cook.
You know how you go write for script? Screenwriter heaven.
What is screenwriter they do? They write scripts for movies.
For movies.
For movies.
Yeah.
And you they cook.
Yeah. I'm a cook.
Wow.
What the combo?
What
No wonder your name is heaven, my
As
brother.
you black like this, your food go dey burn, no?
No, Medu, the question now. Let's find out what's in the cook.
What do they cook?
Dry fish and dry rats.
No, now the others can chef food where they go wear clothes, they cook or
No, bros, for real. I go to school. I go.
No, what do they cook?
culinary school. African dish, continental.
Why you go
Oh,
school?
you go
learn
school
to
for
be
food?
cook?
Yeah, as in kid.
Did they go school to learn how to cook?
Why?
No, I just hear that for the first time. Oh.
What in carry you go there?
Actually, as at the time.
Hey, you are using romantic bedroom voice. Your name was it with Nedu, you are using the voice for?
Then I struggle to, as jam they do people for Nigeria now. So I say instead of mine, sit down for hours and wait for jam. Then I just get myself busy.
Why you no go learn tailor?
No. Cook. You know the girls they like men who sabi cook.
Exactly.
They fall in love.
Bros, you
Apart
sabi.
from that, Nedu, if
Bros,
you go
you sabi.
somewhere, go cook. Now the madam fits here, maybe.
You don't like men when they cook. You don't like that for serve me breakfast in bed.
Exactly, bros.
So if you talk this, bless you the drum, you do it.
So you can phone him. Ring, just a ring. Breakfast in bed ringing. Just a ring.
Anyway, Kalu again. Your name and what you they do? Ikenna, what you they do?
In a carpenter.
Filmmaker.
Oh, filmmaker.
And what? Him be cook and
Okay,
screen writer.
una do short film called again. What's my name?
Reverie. Reverie.
Hey, because what be the meaning?
Reverie means when you are daydreaming. Like maybe let's say you are.
Okay, you sit down, forget yourself.
Yeah, you just
like this,
You just
like
go in a
just-
trance.
Just yourself, say you
Yeah.
be president of America.
No.
No.
Yeah.
No,
man,
you can't
if
find
you
yourself
just-
inside one bush for inside.
No, if I did in America, they go.
Now American you won't
But this
go.
one you go find yourself.
No,
in
no,
that
no,
kind.
Which bush?
One bush for inside
Well,
one
I don't think
place.
what happened. I'm going to watch small from that. Them
No, we don't want to go to the bush this night, though.
well, watch that reverie, right? Daydreaming. When we come back, we'll continue. Exactly. Heaven and Ikenna, we come back to the topic next year.
To enjoy more of these our ogbonge videos when you just watch, press this button to subscribe on top of our YouTube page. You go love am.